Let's play the fraction game called Middle Muddle.
Good morning, everybody. Mrs. Pinkham is back with you again. This time I'm teaching you a game that has to do with fractions. It's called Middle Muddle. Now with this game, you're going to be comparing fractions. This is a 3-player game. I will show you the score sheet after I'm done the video, and also I have a picture of a fraction bar comparison chart to help you just in case you're not sure when you go to organize the 3 fractions that were created, which one actually is the middle value. So you can play the game with 6-sided dice, you can play the game with 10-sided dice, or you can play the game with a deck of cards. I've removed the jacks and I've removed the kings. The queens are staying in because they can represent 12s, and on the fraction bar chart I do have the fractions that go up through the 12s. So this is how you play it. So again, this is a 3-player game. So each person is going to roll the 2 dice or flip 2 cards and create their fraction that is less than a whole number. So here's how this might work. If player 1 went, this would be 1/3. If player 2 went, this would be 1/4. And if player 3 went and created this one, that would be 2/3. So what you would then do, if you're not sure right off the bat, is compare those 3 values on the fraction bar charts. So you're going to record them on the score sheet. After you've compared them by looking at the fraction bar charts, you're going to circle the value of the middle fraction. So if this was the case, 1/4 would be the smallest, 1/3 would be the middle number, and 2/3 would be the greatest. So player 1 would get their fraction circled. They would earn 1 point. So you play for as many rounds as on the score sheet. I think it's roughly 10 rounds. And the person with the most points at the end, of course, would win the game. So if you roll the dice, these go to the 9s because they're 0 through 9 on there. If you roll a 0, you have to roll again. These would go through 6 because there's 1s through 6s on them. So that's the game called Middle Muddle. So this game is focusing on, again, comparing fractions and ordering them from least to greatest, finding the middle. And it's probably for my 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. 2nd graders could probably try it if they understand the concept of fractions and can look at that fraction chart to see kind of where those values fall. Tomorrow I'm going to teach you another fraction game so that those skills don't get out of practice either. Well, thanks for watching, and I look forward to teaching you a new fraction game tomorrow. Have a great day.
Here is the score sheet for the game Middle Muddle. Here is the fraction bar chart you can use to help you. And since it's May the 4th, use the force to help you compare your fractions. May the 4th be with you.